We are live.
All right, so we're here at Nowak Aesthetics. The pre-sale is on.
Woo!
All right, so we have our open house event here going on in the spring. We're super excited. Normally we'd be getting ready for a big party. Obviously, we couldn't in this world. We can't have 200 people coming in through the door today. But we are going to do some amazing giveaways we've never done before. Over there next to Jenny is a
Louis
V
Vuitton.
bag. Who doesn't want a Louis V bag, right? That is going to be our grand prize. Amazing giveaway there. So someone's going to win a Peloton.
Oh
this
my
isn't going to be
goodness.
like 1 in a million. This is if you do some cool sculpting, you do some M-Sculpt, thermal lipo, some body contouring, we're going to help take care of your body by getting you a Peloton. So this is a very targeted drawing. Someone's winning that. Someone's having one of those delivered to their house. So we're obviously not doing the big party, but there are ways that you can take advantage of the sales and promotions. We still team up with the manufacturers. And so Jenny's going to tell you about what you can do to get an assessment.
Oh, well, thank you, Dr. Nowak. So one thing that I really love about this open house, like Dr. Nowak said, we've never done some of these things before, and we're essentially wanting everyone to experience a little bit of luxury, which is why we're giving away these luxury items, because all of us deserve to have a little bit of that in our lives every day. So if you feel like you could handle a little bit of luxury, or honestly, maybe you've just been contemplating doing a couple of things here or there, and have never really kind of explored that option more fully, but really want to take advantage of the best value of the year as we're doing this open house event, what you can do is just take some photos. You can actually send them in to us, and we can do a little virtual consultation and evaluation to let you know what treatment is going to best accomplish your goals and desires. So I don't think it gets much easier than that. We have like no excuses anymore, because it is as easy as texting a picture. It's through our messaging system, Clara, which Miss Diana here is going to give you the number to. It's all HIPAA compliant and completely private. Diana.
The Claire number is 619-373-9727.
Can you give me one more time?
619-373-9727.
Perfect. Also, I'm sure if when we're posting this, you'll see the information below, but that's how easy it is. If you can't make an appointment, but you still want to have a little bit of luxury in your life and you'll be entered to win these amazing prizes, just send in your photos. And the pre-sale is live. You can shop it online at drnowak.com. Check out our online store and you'll see all of the things that we're going to be offering.
All
We
right.
have virtual visits also.
Exactly.
So we have technology where we can visit virtually. We can do an assessment with you. And we still are doing live in-person consultations here in the office. So you can still come see us and meet with us, and we can really customize the plan for you. Like I said, so far no big party with 200 people coming through the door, but we're still here taking care of you, providing those treatments, providing those services. And as Jen said, we all need a little luxury in our life. We all need some fun here. So.
And Dr. Mark, I don't know about you, but we always like to have a little party, a little private party in each exam room with us. So they can still get the party, just it'll be private, VIP, you and your injector in there, you and your provider party. So you're gonna have a great time and be treated absolutely wonderfully, as all of you probably already know.
And let's not forget double tickets, right?
That is so
Double
true.
entries.
I'm so glad that you said that, because I've literally been telling everybody this. We want to make sure that if you are going to purchase something, we want everybody to, we're trying to encourage you not to procrastinate. So what we want to do is we've said, how can we do that for patients? We're incentivizing patients by, if you know you're going to already get one of these luxury treatments or any of our procedure packages already, you might as well do it by May 3rd. The open house event, the final event, the last day is the 13th of May. But if you purchase by May 3rd, you get entered to win double time. So that's not only are you going to get your treatment and transformation sooner, but you're going to get double the access to win these amazing prizes.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much. Everybody is so excited. Don't forget to message us through our messaging system on Clara, 619-373-9727. Thank you so much. We cannot wait to hear from you. Open house pre-sale kickoff.
Yay, our patients here, we've all been waiting for you. This is your greeting party.